Children, welcome to today's session. This is the continuity of arithmetic progressions. In previous session, you have studied about sum of first n terms of an AP. That is, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Just you recall it, children. Now we will see the continuity of exercise 5.3. Ninth one, question number 9. If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms is 289, find the sum of first n terms. Here, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. According to the question, S7 is equal to 49. Here n is equal to 7. So, 7 by 2 into 2a plus 6d is equal to 49. 2a plus 6d is divided by 2, we get a plus 3d. That is 7 into a plus 3d is equal to 49. A plus 3d is equal to 49 by 7, that is equal to 7. A plus 3d is equal to 7. Let this is equation number 1. Again by the given data, S17 is equal to 289. That is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16 into d. That is equal to 289. 2a plus 16d is divided by 2. We get a plus 8d. That is 17 into a plus 8d is equal to 289. A plus 8d is equal to 289 by 17. That is equal to 17. So, a plus 8d is equal to 17. Let this is equation number 2. By solving equations 1 and 2, a plus 8d is equal to 17. A plus 3d equal to 7. After subtracting, we get 5d is equal to 10. D is equal to 10 by 5. That is equal to 2. Substitute d equal to 2 in equation number 1. A plus 3 into 2 is equal to 7. A plus 6 is equal to 7. A is equal to 7 minus 6. That is equal to 1. So, A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 2. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here, we want to find sum of first n terms. That is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 2. 2 plus n minus 1 into 2 is divided by 2. We get n into 1 plus n minus 1. That is equal to n into n. That is equal to n square. Therefore, sum of first n terms is equal to n square. Question number 10. Show that A1, A2, etc. An, etc. form an AP where An is defined as below. First one, An is equal to 3 plus 4n. Also find the sum of the 15 terms in each case. See the solution. An is equal to 3 plus 4n. A1 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1. That is equal to 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. A2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2. That is equal to 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. A3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3 is equal to 3 plus 12. That is equal to 15. Here, list of numbers becomes 7, 11, 15, etc. D is equal to 11 minus 7, that is second term minus first term, is equal to third term minus second term. That is 15 minus 11 is equal to 4 and so on. So it forms an AP with common difference D is equal to 4. To find S15, A is equal to 7, D is equal to 4 and N is equal to 15. Here we will use Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 2 into 7 plus 14 into 4. That is equal to 15 by 2 into 14 plus 14 4s are 56. That is equal to 15 by 2 into 70. That is equal to 15 into 35 is equal to 525. Therefore, the sum of the first 15 terms is 525. Question number 12. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. The required positive integers which are divisible by 6 is 6, 12, 18, etc. 40 terms. Here first term A is equal to 6, common difference D is equal to 12 minus 6, that is equal to 6. N is equal to 40. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is S40 is equal to 40 divided by 2 into 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1 into 6. 40 by 2 is 20. 20 into 12 plus 40 minus 1 is 39. 39 into 6, that is equal to 20 into 12 plus 234. That is 39 into 6 is 234. Now 20 into 12 plus 234 is equal to 20 into 246. That is equal to 4920. 16th one. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. Children, do you understand the question? See the solution. Totally 7 cash prizes are there and each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding price. Let the prices be A, A minus 20, A minus 40, A minus 60, etc. 7 terms. Here first term A is equal to A, common difference D is equal to second term minus first term. That is A minus 20 minus A is equal to minus 20. N is equal to 7. According to the question, S7 is equal to 700. In S7, N is 7. Sn is equal to 2a, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula already you know it very well. Now apply the values in this. We get 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into d. That is equal to 700. 7 by 2 into 2a plus 7 minus 1 into minus 20 is equal to 700. 2a plus 7 minus 1 into minus 20 is divided by 2. We get a plus 6 into minus 10. That is 7 into a plus 6 into minus 10 is equal to 700. 7 into a minus 60 is equal to 700. Now a minus 60 is equal to 700 by 7, that is equal to 100. A is equal to 100 plus 60 is equal to 160. Now A is equal to rupees 160. Here each price is rupees 20 less than its preceding price. So the value of each of the prices are rupees 160, rupees 140, rupees 120, rupees 100, rupees 80, rupees 60 and rupees 40. Question number 17. In a school, students thought of planting trees in and around the school to reduce air pollution. It was decided that the number of trees that each section of each class will plant will be the same as the class in which they are studying. Example, a section of class 1 will plant 1 tree, a section of class 2 will plant 2 trees and so on till class 12. There are 3 sections of each class. How many trees will be planted by the students? See the solution. In a school, class 1st to 12th, there are 3 sections of each class. Total number of trees planted by the students, class 1st into 3 sections is 3 plus class 2 into 3 sections is 6 plus class 3 into 3 sections is 3 3s are 9 plus etc. plus class 12 into 3 section is 3 into 12 36, that is 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus etc. plus 36. Here first term A is equal to 3, common difference D is second term minus first term, that is 6 minus 3 is 3. Last term L is equal to 36 and 12 classes, totally 12 classes are there, so N is equal to 12. Sn is equal to N by 2 into A plus L. S12 is equal to 12 by 2 into 3 plus 36, that is equal to 6 into 39, that is equal to 234. Therefore, 234 trees will be planted by the students. Question number 20. In a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point, which is 5 meters from the first potato, and the other potatoes are placed 3 meters apart in a straight line. There are 10 potatoes in the line. See the figure. A competitor starts from the bucket, picks up the nearest potato, runs back with it, drops it in the bucket, runs back to pick up the next potato, runs to the bucket to drop it in, and she continues in the same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? Hint is given. To pick up the first potato and the second potato, the total distance in meters run by a competitor is 2 into 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 3. See the solution. To pick up first, second, third, etc. potatoes, distance covered by a competitor is 10 meter, 16 meter, 22 meter, etc. See the hint. 2 into 5 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 is given. So here 2 into 5 is 10 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 is 2 into 8. 2 16s are 2 8s are 16. These form an AP with A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 66. D is equal to 6 because second term minus first term is 16 minus 10, that is equal to 6. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Here there are 10 potatoes in the line. Therefore, n is equal to 10. S10 is equal to 10 divided by 2 into 2 into 10 plus 10 minus 1 into 6. 10 by 2 is 5 into 2 tens are 20 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into 6. That is equal to 5 into 20 plus 9 6 are 54. That is equal to 5 into 54 plus 20 is 74. 5 into 74 is equal to 370. S10 is equal to 370 meter. That is 370 meter is the total distance the competitor has to run. Summary. In this chapter, you have studied the following: and arithmetic progressions, common difference, general form of an AP, finite AP and infinite AP, nth term of an AP and sum of first n terms of an AP. Thank you, children.